So we're checking out this house right now, and this is a sinkhole house, and look at this. See this right here? It comes all the way up. You can tell that this has been repaired in the past, but it goes all the way across. We have a line that goes all the way across the entire house, but this is the gem right here. Now you got this fence right here, but look up. But look to the degree of the settlement. Oop. You can actually stick your keys through that part of the house. And then it comes all the way down behind the fence line. All the way down, right through the base of the foundation, right through the slab. That's a major problem. And I'm also going to show you something in just a second, which is a telltale sign of a sinkhole home. At least a remediated sinkhole. And that's this right here. This is where they actually drill under the house, and then they inject grout in there under the house in order to stabilize the slab. And usually these go every several feet. You'll see another one right here in the corner. That's another one right there. You can tell by the concrete patch that's right there. And this has a crack that goes across the entire course. I don't know how well the lighting is, but it goes the entire course all the way up. All the way up. So keep your eyes on a house that's concrete block. You're going to be looking for those repaired cracks like here. Now this doesn't look real bad, not compared to the other side of the house, but that's a pretty good idea as to what a sinkhole house looks like in real life.